It's a little largemouth right there. Here you go, boys. There you go. Nice little largemouth. Good job, buddy. Go back in there, get you some, get you bigger. Nice going, buddy. Well, there you have it, little largemouth bass, right at the boat as I was looking away. How about them apples? Back in there and get you some, get you bigger. Nice, nice, nice. That's a snakehead there, boy. Yeah. Yep. There we go. All right. Oh my gosh. That was a nice bass. God dang it. Is a largemouth. That's a good one. That's a good one. Nice, nice, nice. Nice job, buddy. I'm gonna put him at maybe 3 pounds, 2.5, 3 pounds. Good job, buddy. Go back in there, get you some, get you bigger. There we go. That's a better fish.